Okay guys, I want to show you that on a Saturday, coronavirus times, we are extremely busy, thank God. We got cars everywhere. I'm going to show you what we have on the menu for today. We have this Dodge Ram. It's twins. We have a customer, he's a traveling nurse from Georgia. We did the Ram logos in gold. We did the calipers in gold. We did this running board, the step board. You know how it's always dull looking? We did that in gloss black. We did the back bumper in gloss black. We did the tail lights in gloss black. We get the Dodge logo in gold. We tinted the tail lights. Now we get ready to put some black studs on the wheels. We're going to paint the door handles gloss black. We're going to put a carbon fiber here on the door panels, and we're going to paint this windshield wiper shroud because it's dull looking. We painted the grill. You notice on your grill on your Dodge trucks, that grill is always dull and dingy looking, but we paint the grill gloss black to match the truck. So that's on the menu. We're going to do some more extras for this customer. Over here, we got a Hummer. We did the wheels in gloss black, the calipers in red. We put LED lights underneath it. We put the stars in the ceiling, and we painted the undercarriage. Okay, here we go. All underneath this truck, we painted it black. It was all dull and dingy looking. So we painted the undercarriage black. It was all rusted out because this truck came from the East Coast. So we did that. It looks so much better. Right here, we got an Audi. We're doing the calipers in red and the wheels in black. It's one of our packages. Over here, we got a BMW. We're gonna do the wheels in gloss black. Right here, we got another BMW with a crack wheel. We're fixing that. This Suburban, the guy here to hit the curb, wrecked the front of the car and bent both wheels. So we're gonna fix the wheels on this Suburban. We're gonna fix the front bumper, the headlight, the mirror. We're gonna get them back right. We got a Buick. This Buick, someone plastic dipped the grill, plastic dipped the trim. Well, it wasn't professionally done. So we took the dip off the grill. Here's the grill, it was all black and just cruddy looking. We're gonna paint the grill black, liquid paint. We are wrapping the trim with 3M wrap, gloss black. So it's gonna be nice, sleek, and clean. So that's on the menu as well. I'm gonna walk you in the garage. My guys are welding. Got a lot of wheels that are cracked up and bent up to show you what we do. That's my guy over there welding. We got the best welders and best fabricators in town. We got a new hydrographics tank. This is a huge tank. We're gonna start promoting hydrographics in the next couple of weeks. Inside here, we got wheels everywhere. Bent wheels, cracked wheels, powder coated wheels, swingers, chrome clad, specialty wheels. We got this truck right here. This truck has got specialty wheels on it, and you can see the spokes. I'll walk you around to the other side. These wheels are custom wheels. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, goodbye.
Goodbye. We're doing these wheels. Customer got some curb rash on them, so we're going to bang it out in one day. Those are some custom made wheels, so we're gonna get that done. Over here, we got an IROC wheel. It's got a crack. We're gonna curb rash, we're gonna bang that out. We got this gold wheel. We just liquid painted these wheels gold. Not even a week ago. Customer hit the curb and just jacked it up, so we're gonna take care of that. We got this huge wheel. We're gonna do the curb rash. Now when we do the rash on this wheel, we got a special system to where we'll paint it and it won't get paint in the letters. You're gonna hardly notice it was there. So Houston Wheel Repair, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. Guys, there's no work that we can't do. This is another reason why we are the best.